Have you ever wondered why the Wright brothers, despite having no formal engineering training, were able to invent, build, and fly the first airplane? Or how Albert Einstein, a patent clerk, could revolutionize our understanding of the universe? It all boils down to the power of focused study and unyielding motivation. Consider the Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur. They were just two ordinary guys running a bicycle shop in Dayton, Ohio. Yet, they had an insatiable curiosity about flight. They studied tirelessly, reading every piece of information they could find about aeronautics. They faced countless setbacks and rejections, but they were relentless in their pursuit. They experimented, they failed, they learned, and they tried again. Their unwavering dedication and motivation finally led them to success in December 1903, when they achieved the first powered flight. Similarly, Albert Einstein was not always the revered physicist we know today. He was once a struggling patent clerk in Switzerland, but Einstein had a burning desire to understand the mysteries of the universe. He dedicated every free moment to studying theoretical physics. Einstein's motivation was not fame or recognition, but a genuine love for knowledge. It was this passion that ultimately led him to develop the theory of relativity, forever changing our understanding of time and space. These stories illustrate the incredible power of dedicated study and motivation. But they also show us that it's not about where you come from or what your current circumstances are. It's about the relentless pursuit of knowledge and the unwavering commitment to your goals. So what can we take away from these stories? First, study is not just about passing exams or getting a degree. It's a lifelong pursuit of knowledge and understanding. It's about developing a deep curiosity about the world and a thirst for learning. Second, motivation is not something that comes and goes. It's a consistent dedication to your goals, even in the face of adversity. It's about persevering even when things get tough. Third, everyone, no matter their background or circumstances, has the potential to achieve great things. The Wright brothers were not engineers, and Einstein was not a professor. Yet they changed the world because they were passionate about learning and relentless in their pursuit of their goals. In conclusion, studying and staying motivated are not just about achieving academic success. They are the keys to unlocking your potential and making a difference in the world. Remember, the Wright brothers and Einstein were ordinary people who achieved extraordinary things through the power of study and motivation. You too have that same potential. So keep studying, stay motivated, and who knows, you might just change the world.